I got a narrow desktop LED, well, not very narrow, but a desktop LED light. So there's something wrong with the light. So when you switch it on, it flashes and stops. I think there's something wrong with the switch. If you press it down hard, it comes on. It's down hard. Sometimes it stays on, usually it doesn't. So if you switch it off, switch it on, flashes, press hard, comes on, sometimes stays on like that. Press it off, turn it on, and it won't do it again. So press hard, it stays on. So there's something wrong with the switch. Let's see if I can open up and see what's going on with it. Turn it off. Unplug it. Yeah, unplug it first. So let's see if this switch could be opened. If not, it's gonna have, well, it has to open. If after opening it, the switch stays in one piece, we could still use it. If not, replace it with a different switch. Well, I think it is switched on. Let's see. Okay, let's see if it opens up. I think it could be wedged. I think. I never opened one of these before, so let's see. If it breaks, it breaks. I see no screws, so most likely it is just snapped together. Square. Only a snouted head, small little snouted head. See if this works. After like 20 minutes, I finally pop it open enough now. Hopefully it's gonna come out very soon. But the casing, the side of the casing is all messed up now. It's not all has little what do you call it? Bursts. So if I could get this fixed, I'm gonna have to I will file the side down so it's not sharp. Right, so got one side of it is pretty much opened. So now the other side. Let's see. Oh, something went flying. This one piece of the plastic went flying. That's not good. Let's see if I can find that piece of plastic. Okay, so I found the plastic that went flying. I cannot tell exactly where it comes from. I don't find the area where this piece will sit. Oh, I might leave it out. I'll figure out eventually maybe. Or I might leave it out. So anyway, there's like a switching. So I got the contacts. So that's off. And if I switch it this way, is on, off, on, off, on. So yeah, so I was testing it a little bit and I noticed right now it's always on. It's working right now. Gee, that's good. But it wasn't always working. That's stupid. Okay, so got it on the on position, but it's not coming on. So got a screwdriver and gonna touch the contact. Yeah, so contact's not touching all the time. So let's check again. So it's not coming on. Press it down with a screwdriver and it comes on. So here's the contact. Here that's not contacting properly. If you can see it. This contact. When it's off, it pops up. And when it's on, it's supposed to go on. But apparently not all the time. See, like that. Goes on, but the power is not going through, so you push it. I can see it. Yeah, if you press it down hard enough with a screwdriver, create good contact, it works. So it is the contact. Alright, let me unplug the power. Oh, am I gonna remember which way to put it back in? Because that goes on one side. That's dumb. I should have remembered first. I think it's this way. Oh no. Oh, it's this way. Haha. Okay. There's a little straight line over there. That's on the left hand side. I'll remember that. Ha! So how do you work this thing? Toggle switch. Will it come out? Will it come out? I need to bend it, so let's see if I could bend it this way. Maybe oh. Came right out. Alright, so since it came out, I will try to bend it. Let me get a pair of pliers, bend it a little bit. Okay, I don't know if you could see it. This top has a tiny little curve in it. Yeah. So let me try to straighten it out a little bit. Well, I need some this end, not on this end. Okay, so I need 2 pair of pliers, and this try to straighten it a little bit. Alright, I think that did it. Alright, let's see how it works out. Okay, so put it back in. Boom, boom, boom. It's gonna be a challenge to put this thing in, huh? Okay, challenge over. Alright, so switch. Side with a 9, with a bar on the left. So how do I get this in? Crooked. Put the top out. Is it in? No, almost. Push it down. There we go. Is it? Toggle. Oh. You can see how high this thing comes up now. Go down. Alright, let's plug in, give it a test. Does it come on all the time? It should come on, Looks like that solved the problem. Alright, so just have to figure out where the heck this piece of plastic came from. Where it went flying. It went flying. Where could it came from? And which way does this go back into, huh? Wow, that's gonna be a mystery. And so so this piece probably somewhere in the middle as a center support. That got me stumped. Okay, so I think that is going right in here. If I could wedge, it's supposed to wedge the wire and also support the cap. Let me see if I could wedge it. Wire went down, so I gotta pull up the wire a little bit. So I could push it down and wedge it at the same time. Okay, let's try again. Push it in and wedge it. Wedge it. Give it a wedgie. Wedgie. Make sure it still functions. Okay. Polka dot, poke you through. That's not. I think it's as good as it gets. So I support on this side. It's always supported on this side. with this tab. I think that's what it's for. When flying, can't really tell. Alright, so this thing, the cover has 2 big spikes on this side and 2 big spikes on this side, and there must 2 holes here. There's 2 holes here and 2 holes there, so they have to go this way. If they line up, they're good. Of course they don't line up, so switch over. Aha. Now they line up. Press down. Press. Press. Oh. Damn, that thing's in the way, huh? This little tab that I just put in, it's in the way, so push it down. Up. Up. Let's see. Is it out of the way now? If it closes, it will be really close. Oh. Still in the way? Can you believe it? These little tiny little switch like this giving so much problem. Oh wow. A tiny little switch with this tiny little plastic tab. I don't even know where it came from. Just went flying somewhere. With a cross. Press. It's not working out. It's not working out. But it looks like it's clear though. It's clear the opening. So where is it getting caught? It's getting caught somewhere, but I don't see where. Something's getting caught. Something is getting caught. Something getting caught. Wow, it was a pain to take it apart, and it's going to be a pain to put it back in. It would be much easier just to replace it with a new switch, huh? Really, it's not closing. Well, the original switch looks better. It's clicking. Okay. We're getting somewhere. Okay, squeezing it down with a pair of pliers seems to be working. Okay, looks like it's fully closed despite all the burrs. Just gonna fire it down. This let's hope it's continue to work. Okay, it works. Oh, I'm gonna wear it out like this. Right, so that's good. It's working. Just gonna grab a file, smooth it out. Okay, so just gonna file down the boost so it has a smooth feel to it. I don't want my finger to rub against it and get a cut or even scratches. You know? I don't know, maybe after I file it down I put hot glue in the gap, because from taking it off and I almost killed this whole thing just to break it open. There's a huge gap now. This thing really tough, huh? Maybe hot glue, or I could just use a layer of scotch tape, clear scotch tape. Let's see. I don't know which one I'm gonna use. Okay, so I got it filed and smooth out, so it's not gonna cut the skin. Oh, I unplug it right now. Anyway, so I'm gonna use hot glue and just fill in the gaps and smooth it out. Hopefully it's gonna be good enough. Okay, looks like it's ready. I think it's ready. I haven't used hot glue for a while. Alright, let's see. That's not good. Doesn't smooth out very good. Okay, what can I do to smooth it out? Go back with a glue gun. Heat it up and press it in. Maybe that work. So there's glue on the surface. Just need to heat it up and press it in. Ah, that looks like crap. Alright, let's work on the other side. Alright, looks like crap. Okay, kids, what did we learn today? Not to use hot glue to fill in these plastic gaps. Look like crap. Okay, so I went back and used my utility knife to shave off the some of the hot glue because it was just creating too much of a bump. So right now It's not ultra smooth, it's not really smooth, but it's not sharp because it's glue, so it's not gonna cut your finger or anything. Just have some bumps. So what did I learn today? Well, first of all, just from this, another tab. Haha, and I look on the side. There we go. There's some space here. So now I know what these pieces are. So there's two pieces. One piece I put inside already, as I thought it was to hold the side wire down, but it's not. This piece and this piece, they each go on the side and press the wire down on the side of each edge, each incoming wires. You'll hold it down, well, of course inside the casing. One there and one here. So you'll hold it down. Well, I don't feel like taking it apart. It's not coming off. It's being held inside, so yeah, I'm not too worried about it now. It's not heavy duty stuff anyway. So what else did I learn? Taking apart this is a pain. It is a pain. If I have to do it again, I'll just replace it with a regular type where you just put in loosen and tighten screws. It'll be much easier. So for me to take it apart, I will just use like maybe channel lock and pliers and just break it into pieces and just convert the wire over. Much easier. And as for the glue, what I learned, don't use hot glue. There's not enough time for you to go back and smooth it out. So if you need to fill in a gap, maybe use epoxy. So you can apply it and actually go back and smooth it out. So you don't have to go back with a utility knife and try to shave it off. Or even use a scotch tape. That might work too. Yeah, hot glue? No. And what else did I learn? Well, try not to let the pieces fly, so you know exactly where they go. I found one piece, but I didn't see this piece until the whole thing's finished. So 3 lessons, 1 day. Hey, at least it works. It's fixed. Haha. Well, thank you for watching and learn from my mistakes. No need to repair this. Just cut it, throw it away. Put a new switch. Make your knife much easier. Thank you guys. Take care. Remember, unplug the power first.